Did I kill it already? No manches. It's angry. Hey beautiful, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, my name is Alexis Jayda and welcome. Today's video is Let's Talk Skin. In today's video, I'm going to be shaving my face. We're gonna be shaving my face. So this is the CONTURE hair removal and skin polisher. And you can find it at Sephora. Let me pull it up real quick. So this is at Sephora for $49. This is for oily, combination, dry, and sensitive skin. A device that helps gently exfoliate skin for a flawless and youthful looking appearance. Solutions for removes unwanted hair from anywhere hair grows. Helps to remove buildup and dead skin. Helps skin appear brighter and more youthful. This set contains a hair removal device and a polishing head. It's so small you can take it with you to the gym, vacation, work, so you can always look flawless. It's easy to clean. It has a quiet motor, perfect and discreet, use anytime, anywhere. Okay, so it has all that good stuff. 3 stars out of 5. I wonder why. If you guys have been here for quite some time, you guys know that I shave my face. I'm not shy about shaving my face. I don't like waxing my face because I feel like it tends to pull out your face and it can cause premature wrinkles. So I'm kind of scared of that. Yeah, let's just see if it works on me. So this is a Bye Bye Peach Fuzz. We love your style. As one of our favorite social media followers, we wanted, okay. So they sent it to me. And see, it's painless shave every time with no bumps, no nicks, no irritation. Can be used anywhere on the body, including face, underarms, and bikini area. I didn't know that. So that's cool. Then it has a polisher. Mild polishing head provides gentle exfoliation of the skin, rotates 360 degrees and comfortably adjusts to curves, helps to eliminate buildup and dead skin. That's cool. So this is a 2-in-1. So this is it right here. It has the head, the shaver, the hair remover head, and then the polishing one. So I did open it because it does not come with batteries, so I had to go downstairs and get batteries real quick. I'm just going to open this right here. So I turned it on. Does sound pretty discreet. So I was like, okay, so this is it right here. And then you pop this off, and then there is the blade. I'm kind of scared, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. Watch my luck, it pulled my hair. We'll see. And then there is the polishing head. Okay, so let's go in. I do have some hair right here. Hopefully you guys can see, and if you cannot, hopefully pick it up. What way do we go? Oh, should I test it on my arm? I'm like scared to put it on my face. No, that's really it. You can see my hair's in there. I'm about... Come here, come here. Okay, you guys can see the hairs, right? Here we go. Are you supposed to like rotate it? It like cuts the hair. Ew, I spit. It like cuts the hair in half. And then you can see my hair's in here, which is pretty cool. Can you guys see my hair in there? Maybe because the hair is thicker on my arm, but how it says you can use it anywhere. Oh, no, because my hair is thickums. So I'm going to use it on a little area on my face. We'll see. Do you guys see that it did get some of my peach fuzz? And I think that's all it can get is peach fuzz. That's why it says, Bye Bye Peach Fuzz, because it's like, that's all it's going to get. It's not going to get your bikini area hair, or if you have thick hair on your face, it's not going to get that. It's just going to cut it in half, because even looking up close, I feel like it did remove my peach fuzz, like my peach fuzz right here, but a little bit of my, I guess, thicker hair right here, it didn't remove. 49 bucks. I'd rather go in with my blade. Like, I'd rather just do that. So I'm going to switch the head and we're going to polish. I want to see how that works. So you just take it off, twist it off. It's easy peasy, lemon squeezy. And I guess we'll see how this goes. I got dead skin right here, so let's see if we can remove that. I don't really feel a difference, you guys. Yeah, I don't feel a difference. I feel like, okay, it did remove hair, but it only cut the hair in half. It didn't really like remove the hair. I was actually pretty excited about this contour because I've seen some people review it and they're like, oh, like it removes really good. And I've been seeing like Instagram and how like they go in and they just like shh, and they show the hair. They show the hair, but it's not like if they tell you like, oh yeah, it's cut in half. Or maybe it's just because my hair is different. Maybe it's because of my hair, it's not as fine, and that's why. But for $49, I was just expecting a little bit more, like a little bit more. Even how it like rotates, it reminds me of my husband's kind of like that thing that they use on their face, like that beard thing. And that one removes a lot, like it removes a lot of hair and it pulls it from the root. So I was expecting kind of something like that going in my face. I was expecting for like kind of like something like a little like pulling, but there's no pain at all. So if you have like really, I'm talking about like baby hair, maybe it could remove it completely. But just how I was going over it on my arm and stuff, it didn't remove anything. It did not remove anything. So that's pretty disappointing because it shows her face and it's kind of hairy. And then her peach fuzz, and then it says like remove unwanted whatever hair, looking flawless, but like no. And I really thought it was going to be like something cool where it was going to remove it, but there's no way. Like this will not work on your girl area down there. Like it just won't. Like it looks cool, it sounds cool. I really thought like it was going to remove something, but because like just how like this would be easy, like, oh yeah, I'm just going to remove the hair on my face right now and then we're gonna go in, like that would have been super cool. Like it just cuts it in half. Let me see, let's do it again. Maybe if I, because I'm going different ways to see like what would work best. And you can hear it when it catches hair. You can hear it go. Let's do the unibrow maybe. Like you guys hear that? Because you can hear that it's picking up hair. We're putting it to work, you know? So let's take it off. Yeah, like it definitely picks up hair, which is kind of cool to look at it in there. But let me see. I'm gonna get my mirror. Yeah, forehead hairs cut in half. Chin area, right here I have some hair and I'm gonna go over that area. I'll go over it a couple times too, like give it the benefit of the doubt, you know what I mean? Okay. It did remove that really nicely. Okay, so it removed that pretty nicely. Maybe because it's more peach fuzz. Maybe. Let's go in right here because you guys can see that I have hair right there. So I can see my hair right here. So the more thicker parts where like my hair is thicker right here, it just cut in half. Right here where it's like literally peach fuzz, it removed that. So that would be good to like maybe clean up right here. Did I kill it already? No manches. It's angry. What the fuck? It just kicked into high gear. Discreet my ass. Everyone's gonna be like, you shaving your face? Hell yeah! Como que pinche discreet. Nothing discreet about this noise. Yeah, that got so much more hair. So what, it was on low the whole time? Does it have 2 different settings? No, it's just broken, I think. Like now it's all discreet and all quiet. Probably because it's like all that shit I was talking and got kind of mad, so it kicked in high gear. But even all that high gear, it still cut this part in half. Yeah, I did get my peach fuzz like right here. Peach fuzz right here that I get. But right here where it's a little bit more thicker, it didn't get. My face just feels a little bit irritated now because I keep going over it. So honestly, I would think that this would probably just be for those who have really, 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 really fine hair. Because like it's not even like I'm getting around my tattoo, like let's just wiggle it back and forth. Yeah, like it just cuts it in half. And then you just have to like, I don't know how you're supposed to like use this thingy. I'm gonna go this way. And then go back down. Up. Down, maybe? Yeah, but they still like are cut in half. So how do we prevent it from cutting in half? Because like, you know what I mean? Like when your hair, like when you shave and then like you sneeze and then your hair comes back, it's like that. Like, that's what it looks like. So even when I go in circular motions, let's see. Yeah, the same thing. Like it looks like I have strawberry arms now. There you go. That was perfect. So you guys can see like, and I'll zoom in so you guys can see like how they're cut in half. Oh, that's a great picture to demonstrate. Yeah. Just to like save money, just pass on this. Pass on this one. I'm pretty sure. And I did receive this in PR. So I don't want you guys to think that like just because I received something in PR that it's going to always get like a glowing review or I'm always going to like the product. Like there's just some things that just like it just doesn't work and I don't want you guys to go out and get it. It's $50 and you guys work hard for your money. I don't want you guys to go out and get it and be like Alexis, like what the, like what's up, girl? Like, you know what I mean? Because like I'm very, very thankful they sent me this. I really am. Thank you so much. But this is honestly not something that I can recommend because it just didn't work. I did try. You guys seen that I did try. I applied it all over my face. Even polishing, I thought it was just going to be like those cool things that you see like that you just go and like the dust gets off your face. No, it didn't do any of that. It just, no. It didn't do any of that, which I'm pretty disappointed because I really wanted it to work, especially because like it says, you know, your skin looks more youthful and stuff like that. So I was like, hell yeah. But it does say, and we should pay attention to things like that. Bye bye peach fuzz. So that really, really fine hair probably. If you guys still want to give it a try, by all means, hey, let me know if it works for you. I would love to know. Hair's not even that thick here. And I'm just like, no. Like, I don't want to have to keep going over it a couple times. Like maybe I will eventually get it if I keep like going over it and like, because like this is already getting irritated where I keep going over it. So I don't want to irritate anything else. That was a fail. But I'm so excited to continue this series and do more things and try out more things. There is something else I will be trying out in the next Let's Talk Skin. I can't wait for you guys to see that one. I'm pretty freaking excited about that one. Oh, and I'll link a video of how I shade my face down below so you guys can check that one out because that's what I'm probably going to do after this one. I just don't want to make this video too long. But yeah, if you guys like this type of videos, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe if you guys haven't already to keep updated my videos. Make sure you hit that notification bell down below so you guys are notified every time I do post a video. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!